Hey guys, my name is Freedom. This is Google Map 3D, how to export it and import into Blender and also export as FBX file. You can see now this is Blender and this is a FBX file. How to make this, how to export the Google Map 3D as the 3D FBX file just by using the RenderDoc. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you all the step by step. And now it's 2026 July, the 5th July 2026, and it still works. I'm going to show you all the details step by step in this tutorial. Let's go. Alright, the first step, go to my video description, click into the link, get the Google Map 3D Exporter version 3.0. Scroll down, go and get from the Gumroad, or you can just download it directly from my website. You have two download options. Alright, once you already download it, it is a zip folder. You have to unzip it and extract it into your computer, the Google Map 3D Exporter. Then, next you have three steps. The first step, install the RenderDoc 1.31. Install it in your Windows. RenderDoc 1.31. This is the installer. After you install it, you have to open the RenderDoc first. And then go to the tool setting. And the first step, you have to make sure enable the process injection. Enable process injection, you have to make sure you select it. Then you need to restart it, click OK, and close the RenderDoc 1.31 and restart it, open it again to make sure it is ready. Right, next step, back to the previous folder. Next, you have to prepare Blender 4.4.3 with the Maps plugin. Click into this folder, and this is Blender 4.4.3. Just open the folder, right click, open in a new window. This Blender is a portable Blender 4.4.3 that is ready for use. Just open the Blender. And then the next step is to install the Maps plugin. Click Edit, Preferences. Go to the Add-ons tab. Then click Add-on Setting. Install from disk. Install the Maps Models Importer version 0.7.0. This is a zip file. So copy the location, Ctrl C, and paste it at here, Ctrl V, and press Enter. Maps Models Importer. You just need to select the zip folder, single click Maps Models Importer version 0.7.0.zip. Click Install from disk. Then after that, you have to search here, Maps. Make sure the Maps Models Importer is activated in the add-on. Make sure it is activated. Then close it. Then now you click File, Import. You should be able to see an imports option. Google Maps Capture .rdc. So you can import the RDC file. That means this Blender 4.4.3 is already ready to import. Alright, next. So now you already stand by the RenderDoc version 1.31 and the Blender is ready. You click the empty area, press A, and press delete button to clear everything from the Blender 3D scene, and now the Blender is ready. Next step, Back to the previous folder, the folder 03, set up the Google Chrome portable. This is a Google Chrome portable. Google Chrome portable that is ready to use because the latest version of the Google Chrome, it is not compatible with the RenderDoc anymore. So we need this Google Chrome portable that's already downloaded. Right, so now the Google Chrome portable 64, the original path is on my desktop. You can see from my desktop. So do not put it on the desktop. You have to copy it to somewhere else. For example, the download folder. Copy the Google Chrome portable 64, the whole directory, copy to download folder. Just right click copy, then right click the download folder, open in a new window. Ctrl V to paste it in the download folder. Then from the download folder, just double click to open the folder. You should be able to see a Google Chrome portable.exe. Right click the Google Chrome portable.exe and click create shortcut. Right click the shortcut, go to the shortcut properties. Then open the commands. This is the command.txt. This is the notes that given by me. Click into the command.txt. So now I put the command at here. The next is the shortcut properties. So you need to do something. I'm going to close the unrelated folder. Wait. So now this is the main folder. This is the Google Chrome Portable 64 folder. The shortcut is at here, and then the shortcut properties is at here. So now the first step, copy the target location from your shortcut properties. Click and Control A to copy. Control A to select all, Control C to copy. Then paste it here, Control V. This is your Google Chrome.exe path. The Google Chrome portable.exe path. Copy the path, Control C to copy, and replace it from the first command. So you have to replace, start from C to the .exe. Replace this. So Control V to paste it and replace. Control V. You are going to overwrite the original path here. So C user download Google Chrome portable, Google Chrome portable. So just copy this, Control C to copy, and then paste and replace, override the target in the shortcut properties. Back to the shortcut properties, paste it in the target, Control V, override everything, click OK. Now you can see your Google Chrome portable.exe shortcut. It already changed the logo to become a command. Now you can close your commands, .text, close it, no need to save. This is the shortcut that we want to execute the Google Chrome portable.exe. So now, what I'm telling you is the RenderDoc is ready. Before you start the Google Chrome portable shortcut, you need to click File, Inject into Process. Then execute the shortcut just now. Double click it. You should be able to see it is blank in this way. The GPU starting with PID. you can see the PID number 26176. So in the RenderDoc here, you need to key in your PID number 261. So refresh it until you can see your PID number 26176 is already here, Google Chrome GPU. Then you click Inject, click Allow Access, then the Google Chrome GPU, click OK. Now you can see all of these black words, the black text at the top of the Google Chrome portable. That means it is ready to use. So now you can go to the Google Map. I'm going to show you all the step by step. Now you are ready to capture the Google Map 3D. So from here, you have to type maps.google.com in the URL here. It is going to lead you to the Google Map. The first step, what you need to do is go to the layer, click the layer, click More, then activate the globe view. The globe view. This is very important. The globe view will enable the 3D. Activate the globe view. Next, click the layer, show the satellite view. Alright. Scroll, then you can see the whole globe view. Now I'm going to just go to the US. Let's say I go to Miami or New York City. This is the Google Map 3D. So I'm going to capture some random 3D models from the Google Map 3D. You can click 3D here. Then now you can see, if you hold the shift and click it, you can see the whole 3D view. So let's say I want to capture here. I click shift and then drag it back in this way. Alright, just show the 3D at here. Next, let's say I already decided to capture this Google Map 3D map, and at this area, I back to the RenderDoc. The capture after delay, I select 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Then I click capture after delay. Once I click it, it is going to count down 5 seconds, then capture the whole area. So I click capture after delay. You have to back to the Google Map and you have to keep on drag and make it move until 5 seconds. Now it already 5 seconds. Then back to the RenderDoc here. You can see it already captured. It already captured it. What you need to do the next is save it. So now you can minimize the Google Map 3D. And then just right click the capture and save. Right click and save. And I save it on my desktop. And I will just name this as New York City 01 capture files.rdc. I click save. The New York City 01.rdc already saved on my desktop. This is an RDC file. Next, the final process, go to the Blender 4.4.3. Just now it already stand by here. You just need to click File, Import, Google Maps Capture.rdc. Go to the desktop, import the New York City 01.rdc file. Import. Here, you need to wait for a few seconds. It shows not responding, but you just need to be patient, wait for a few seconds until it is done. Alright, now it's done. And now it is already in Blender. You can just click here to show the viewport shading to the material preview. All of the texture, it should be done. Just wait for a while. To show the texture, it may show not responding because now it is loading. Just wait. Alright, now it's done. It already done. This is exactly the New York City in Google Map 3D. Next, here you can see there are so many meshes. Press A to select all of the meshes. Then just press Ctrl J to just combine all of the meshes into just one single mesh. Now it's done. Next, in the Blender, you click File, Export, FBX. The path mode you have to choose Copy and click Embed the textures so that all of the material textures were embedded inside the FBX. So as demo, I will just export it on my desktop. The FBX file, I'm going to name this FBX file as New York City 01. Export the FBX. Now, it is going to export as FBX file on the desktop. I double click the FBX file. It is going to open with the Autodesk FBX review. Now you can see the whole New York City, the part of the New York City that I exported as FBX file, it already okay to open with the third-party software. Alright, that's all. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to export the Google Map 3D into the Blender and export as FBX file so that you can use it in any other third-party software. The FBX file is a universal file that it is compatible with any other 3D software. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials, and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharings, you will receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. See you.